Bill, and we're in a trade here on the British pound, 5 contracts. I went short on this red bar after this purple bar because we have pierced the upper profit pivot, the roof. I am targeting the upper Keltner channel here. This isn't a whole lot of a spread to make, but there's a pretty high likelihood that I will make my dough here. It's only $150, but I'm trying to teach people to be very conservative and set realistic profit targets. Now, just as a point of discussion, if I wanted to be really aggressive, I probably could have set it down to the middle Keltner channel, but the chances of me getting at that are less likely since we just pierced the upper profit pivot, and already down, and you'll notice in this area did one little loop-de down here. So much better chance of hitting this spot right here. So we'll just kind of hold and play that particular trade and see what happens. I'll be back when this thing resolves. Hey everybody, just wanted to give you a little bit of update here. The momentum swung back to the up direction here on our trade, as you can see, but we're now posting a red bar again, and we also got a reversal arrow here. So I left my stop where it was. I didn't change it at all. I'm also going to move my profit pivot, my profit target down to the middle Keltner now, because as you can see, it's easily, this isn't a very far move for it to go, and that would only break even for us. So I'm going to take a little bit of risk and make the assumption that it'll at least try to get down to here. So let me do that while you guys are watching. I'll quit out of the marker, and I'm just going to move this down, not right to the line, but a couple of ticks above it, because I think it has the capability of going that far. Now, that being said, it'll probably just hit the profit pivot line here and just bounce right back up into the sky. But since I don't have a really big stop loss here, it's not a whole lot of money that I'm risking, and my potential return on this is about looks like almost even Steven at this point. So I have this, I stand to lose about as much as I stand to gain, is what I mean by that in this trade. So even odds, I'm willing to take a bet and see what happens. So I'll be back and see what happens when it happens. Well, another 15 minutes of my life has ticked by, wasted again on trading. No, just kidding. I love doing this stuff. As you can see here, what's happened is we had a pretty good, oh, look at that. I just love it when it happens right before your eyes. What I was about to say is that we had a whole nother red bar here work its way down towards my profit target, and then right as I was saying that, we had a big burst of downward movement, and we took out my profit target here in the middle Keltner channel for an overall profit of, I know it's just a huge amount, $250, but these are training videos, not get rich quick videos, so I want you to understand the concept. So just to reiterate, what happened was this was originally a red bar, this green bar here. When we got into the trade, it was after a purple bar. It was the highest profit pivot, the roof profit pivot, if you remember. If you don't, watch the video on the website, and it'll explain it in an easy to understand fashion, how profit pivots work. We have a little reversal arrow here, so we had a whole bunch of reasons to get into this trade. I thought it might stop me out there for a moment because we were getting up here pretty high up in this area, and my stop was only just slightly above that particular previous bar, but it didn't, and it worked, and we made it down to our profit target, and we made some money. So that's what it's all about. So that's it for today. Over and out from Bill. See y'all again on the next trade.